Hello, my name is Sean Sperry, and in this short video, we're going to do a quick demo of recovering a field and previewing the values that you are going to get in Spectrum Protect Plus for online services, data protection for Salesforce. Let's get started. Okay, so here we are in Spectrum Protect Plus for online services, the Salesforce application. And as you can see, this is our dashboard that shows our API usage. The last time we did a backup, etc. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go make a simple modification to a record. I happen to have a contact here, and this is Ginny Rometty, who happens to be a contact for IBM. And I'm going to go ahead and update a field here, so I'll change her name to title and save that record in Salesforce. Now, if for some reason I had made a mistake or I had done that multiple times and I wanted to restore a particular field back and preview the data that's going to go back, what I can do is I can just click on Restore Fields. And when I do that, I am going to search by entering a keyword, and then I'm going to pick the standard object in Salesforce that I want to restore, which is going to be contact. And I'll search for a keyword, Ginny, to find that particular record in the object. There's my record name, Ginny Rometty. So I'll just select it and I'll go ahead and click on Next. And here you can see I have all of the particular backups that I have made for that particular organization within Salesforce. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take my latest backup that I have, which is going to be this 11/11/2022 at 10:30 a.m. and select that, and then you'll see the differences between the backup value and the current value. And as you can see here, what has changed on this particular record is just the title. That's the only thing I changed. And that's the only thing I'm going to restore. So I'm going to restore it to what I have set as its backup value, which is blank from its current value. So I'll go ahead and select that. Click Restore Now. And you can see when I do that, it takes me to the history field. This is where you see the jobs that have run in Spectrum Protect Plus OS for Salesforce. And in a second, you should see that job pop in. I'll go ahead and refresh the screen just to maybe give it a little help. And you can see the restore is running. I'll go ahead and pause the video while that restore runs, and we'll let it run, and then we'll come back when it completes. Okay, that has completed for me, and ran very quickly. It's only one field, right, with just a few characters in it, so it only took a minute or so to run. And here you can see, if I go back to Ginny, here you see the title that I input. Let's go ahead and refresh the screen, and we'll see it pull back up. And you see that Ginny's title has returned to the way it was, which was blank. Just a quick, simple example. We're going to do a lot more for Salesforce, but I hope you found that useful, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.